किसी के सिर पे मारूंगी तो उसका सिर फूट जाएगा. So I'm back in the kitchen again.
So cold.
Not that great.
My life is going in like circles.
I'll take a lot of time. Everything is adhura without Korean. Good morning everyone. On today's agenda we have 5 tasks. First, I have to study for economics. Second, I have to attempt my psychological quiz. Third, I have to submit my CS assignment. Fourth, I have to attend the CS class which is at night. And fifth, I have to clean the bathroom today. And also I have to wash my hair, so it's gonna take a lot of time for me to get ready today. So I better hurry. It feels like I'm eating only vegetables from the past 3 days. This much should be enough for now. Also, let me show you one thing. This is onion. And they call it sweet onion here. इससे मैं किसी के सिर पे मारूंगी तो उसका सिर फूट जाएगा. इतना बड़ा onion है. Almost the size of my face. Okay, so I chopped all the veggies. By all, I mean capsicum, onion, and just corn kernels. And now I'm going to assemble. Also, I have made them before in my another video. If you haven't watched that, you can click on this I button. Now I'm popping it into the oven. Until the cheese melts, I'm going to make myself a cup. Look at this. Doesn't it look pretty? Great. Nachos are also ready. Now I'm gonna pop it out. I'm gonna take out of the oven. Okay, so it's ready. Now I'm gonna take it inside and eat while I watch something. So see you later. Bye.
The change in blood oxygen level, which is an indirect indicator of neural activity.
So I have completed my quiz and I ate for a while. Now it's 5:30. I have to make dinner. I'll be home around 9, so I have to make dinner now before I left for university because my bus is at 6:30. I'm gonna make curry and pulao today. Okay, so I'm back in the kitchen again. First, I'm going to add besan and curd together. Now in goes some curry leaves, and I'm just gonna add ginger and garlic paste. And we're gonna mix it. The oil is hot enough. Now I'm just gonna add jeera and some hing. And goes all the vegetables. Oh, I forgot to add peas. I'm out of focus here. Now I'm adding some salt. I'm just adding the rice. We'll cook it until 3 whistles. Meanwhile, my curry is also almost ready. I'm just going to add curry masala, and after that I'll do the tadka. Oh, I forgot to add sugar. Chop some coriander stems because everything is adhura without coriander in it. I'm going to add this in the curry, not the pulao. And then we'll do the tadka. Okay, so for tadka, 2 long, 1 red chili and some curry leaves. And I'll add some jeera. Dinner and my bus is in like 12 minutes, so I have to get dressed and I leave for university. Left my apartment, now I'm going to the bus stop. My life has become so boring. घर से यूनी, यूनी से घर, यूनी से जॉब, जॉब से घर, खाना पकाओ, असाइनमेंट्स करो और सो जाओ और कभी कभी टाइम मिले तो सीरीज देखो. Just that. I have nothing else to do. I don't know, it's my life is going in like circles, and some days I feel so exhausting, some days I kid you not, it feels so exhausting. But again, it's I know it's because it's winter. It's normal to feel homesick, but in summer the weather is so happening, like I don't want the summer to end ever. That's why I hate winter so much, because I don't feel like doing anything. Completed my English forum. Now I have to book a party tomorrow because I have to attend the English quiz. So I better sleep now. Okay, see you in the morning. Good morning. I am back in the kitchen as always. I'm back in the kitchen. I'm back in the kitchen as always, and I'm making onion and potato parathas. I don't know, I just mixed everything. बस और कुछ मुझे सूझ नहीं रहा था. I don't have time, but still we gotta eat, right? So last night I didn't slept right away. I watched a movie, When Harry Met Sally, if you have watched it. I mean, it was good. It was not that bad, but it was not that great. I would not watch it again anytime. So I have closing shift today, so I'll come home around 11, almost 11. So for my whole day I will be working. It's 12 p.m. right now and I have to complete my English quiz before I left for work. So that's a task. So I had my breakfast slash lunch. Now I'm doing my English quiz. After that, I'll get ready and leave for work. Finish my quiz. Now I'm going to journal for a while because I haven't done it since like 3 to 4 days. So I better do it now. It's minus 23 outside, so I have to wear my bulky jacket today. And it is snowing. The weather is so bad. I can't even walk properly. It snowed heavily today. Everything is covered in snow. I cannot even feel my hands even if I'm wearing gloves. So that's how cold it is. And I turn into Joker every time I come outside. So cold. So I just had my dinner and did the dishes. Now I'm going to watch the series that I started. What was the name? Haunting of the Hill House. This is a good series. I genuinely liked it. So I'm halfway down. I In total, there's like 10 episodes, and I'm on the 6th one, so I better start now because it's almost 12 in the night and I want to finish it early. So, see you in the morning. I've finished like 3 episodes. Now I'm down to 2 more or 3 more episodes. I don't know how long I'm gonna watch it, but we'll see. I had suddenly had an urge to eat ice cream, so I'm gonna finish my one ice cream, which was chocobar. And this video is gonna be a long one. Good morning, everyone. So today is Saturday and I have to do laundry today. I just took a shower. Now the first thing I should do is put my clothes in the laundry before I prepare my breakfast. So let's go. Okay, let's go. The laundry is down. The laundry is in the basement and it's gonna be a heavy load. I think this much should be enough for the heavy load. Alright. This is the laundry room. These are 2 washers and these are 2 dryers. First, I'm going to add this liquid in the washer. Just added my clothes in the washer. It's gonna take 30 minutes. So I'm going to put a timer of 30 minutes. After thinking for a long period of time, I've decided to eat leftovers from last night. But I have to make parathas to eat with the paneer bhurji. Just went off. Now I'm going to shift my clothes from washer to the dryer. Dryer takes 1 hour to dry your clothes, so I'm gonna set a timer for an hour. Until then, I'm gonna eat because I'm so hungry. Eat this while I watch the last episode of Haunting of Hill House. So I'll see you after that. And my laundry is finally done. Now I'm gonna fold these. And I think that's it for today. This video is going to be a long one. I know this is the second time I'm telling this, but yeah. This was like a productive / realistic week. It was like a realistic week in my life. Okay, so this was like a realistic week in my life. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you stayed till the end, thank you so much for watching the whole video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye bye.